Hello everyone, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to change domain name server. So, if you have registered your domain name from GoDaddy and you wanted to change name server, then this tutorials will be very helpful for you. Here I am going to share very easy step that you can do without any technical skill, without hiring any developer. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go to dcc.godaddy.com control portfolio, this URL. You must have to log in your GoDaddy account before go to this URL. So when you have done the login of your GoDaddy account, then simply copy this link. I will share this link in the video description. Okay, then go to this link and you will find all of your domain that you have registered. So I'm going to select one domain from here. So I'm going to select this one. Then you can see that there is a pop-up option, name server. We have to click on the name server. Then we can change the name server as our requirement. For example, I wanted to change it from own name server to GoDaddy name server, that is recommended. So I'm going to click on it. If I wanted to use own name server, then I have to click on it. Then I have to add my own name server here. Okay, so I'm going to click on the GoDaddy name server, then click on the save. Then we have to click on the continue and verify. So click on this button, and now we have to verify our email. So we'll get a one-time password, 6-digit password to enter in here. Then we have to click on the verify, and then our name server will be updated. So I hope you understand the total process how we can change the name server of domain in GoDaddy. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant e-commerce, website design or digital marketing, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.